Hi everybody, I am back. So this is English with Mr HAMOUCHE YouTube. So I am happy to see you again. So up to now we have 5 lessons learning the English alphabets, the phonetics, E, and what is the difference between the English alphabet and the phonetics. After that we saw the subject pronouns and the last course concerning presentation. So concerning the English alphabet we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. After that we saw the phonetic about E. Okay, so how can we pronounce E? So this sound we pronounce it E. After that we gave an explanation between the difference between the English alphabet and the phonetics. So we saw that the English alphabet helps us or enables us to write well, and the phonetics enable us or helps us to pronounce well. So this is the difference between the English alphabets and the phonetics. After that we saw the subject pronouns I, you, we, they, he, she and it. And the last course concerning the presentation, name, first name, last name and family name. So this is what we saw up to that we have seen up to now. So before we pass to another courses, يعني قبل ما ندوزو دروس جديدة لابد أن نعمل أو ننجز تمرين لهذه الدروس حتى نرى إذا ما تمكنا منها أم لا. So the exercise is the following. So the first exercise concerning the English alphabet. Read well. Ça veut dire اقرأ جيدا. Okay, هذه الحروف. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And of course, when we finish the exercise, I will give you the right answer. I will give you the answer. After that, we are going to see, okay, how can we pronounce these words? How can we pronounce this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, this, and this. Of course, this is concerning the phonetics. So these words, okay, concerning the phonetics about the sound E. Okay. After we have an exercise concerning the pronouns. How can we change the names into pronouns? Example: Joe, he. What is the pronouns for a cat? And what is the pronoun for cats? What is the pronoun for I and you? What is the pronoun for Samia? What is the pronouns for Kenny? What is the pronouns for people? What is the pronoun for a woman? And what is the pronoun for tables? The last exercise concerning the presentation, you can answer these questions. What is your name? What is your family name? What is your last name? And what is your first name? I think that the exercise has finished. And of course, I will give you the answer later. Thanks. And don't forget to push the button like, okay, and to subscribe in English with Mr HAMOUCHE channel. Goodbye. See you next time.